Hey everyone, it's Audrey with Social Media 4, that's the number 4 beginners.com, where I teach you, the complete newbie, how to use the different social media sites so that you can stay connected to your family and friends. So in this video tutorial, what we're going to do is walk through the homepage on Facebook. So there's a lot of stuff going on your homepage. And if you are new to Facebook, it can be really confusing. So I'm hoping that after this video, you're more acclimated to your Facebook homepage than you were before. Now, just a couple of things is that this video is part of a Facebook for Beginners course that I offer here on YouTube. And so what you can do is find that playlist right here. I'm going to link to it. And this has all of the videos that I recommend you go through in the order that I have placed them. Okay. So if this video helps you in any way to understand a little bit more about the homepage, why not give it a thumbs up? Maybe share it with some family and friends. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell, because that's going to notify you every single time that I upload a new video tutorial, either to the Facebook course or to some of the other courses that I offer free here on YouTube. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. There's a lot to cover, but I'm just really gonna skim a little bit of it because I've done this video a couple times and every time it was like 20 minutes and I don't want to do that. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so here we are on the home page, and anytime that you log into Facebook, you're always brought to this home page. Now, if you are looking at other people's timelines and you're looking through Facebook, you can always get back to the home page by two different ways. You can either click on the Facebook icon to this top left, or you can just simply click on home and it'll always bring you back here. So let's go through this home page. We'll start out with the top. So this search bar is where you would search for any family or friends that you want to find, maybe any businesses that you want to connect with, or groups that you know exist on Facebook. You can find those here. This is a link to your profile, which is also known as your timeline. Now, like I said, I have a lot more videos, so I will leave a link to each video that I have done a video in more detail on. And I do have a video that I did more detail on your timeline and your profile, but you can get to it by clicking here. Your home button, your find friends. Now, some of you may have this, some may not. It just all depends what your home page looks like, because they're not all the same. But if you click here, you can find your friends. This will also show you if you have any friend requests that have been sent to you. And it will also show you a list of people that you may know and want to connect with. This right here is create. This is where if you have a business, you can click create a page. You can create an ad. If you already do have a business page on Facebook, you can create a group and invite your friends to shared interest. An event, if you have an event that's coming up, you can create it here. Marketplace listing, if there's anything that you want to sell locally, or if you would even prefer to ship it, you can list it here in the marketplace. And here's a fundraiser, so you can create your very own fundraiser. Next are these little icons, and this little icon is friend request. So if you have a friend request, or you have a little circle with a number inside of it, that number tells you how many friend requests that you have received recently. So these are all of my friend requests, and if I know any of these people or I want to connect with them, I can simply click on confirm, and now we are friends and they will be able to see whenever I post stuff. So this next one is your messages, and this is where you would private message any friends that you wanted to. I go into great detail on how to use the Facebook Messenger, and I will go ahead and either put a link right up here, but definitely down in the comments below, I'll link to all of the videos so you can find that just by by searching under the comments or the description underneath this video. This one is your notifications. This will always let you know if you have, if somebody tagged you, if somebody posted something on your timeline, if they've responded to a post, if maybe they shared a post to you, or even if you have a private message. You'll know if you have notifications by a little red circle, and it'll have the number. So it might have like 3. That means you have 3 notifications. And when you click on it, it tells you what those notifications are. So letting me know, that my friends have responded to events happening. Now, this next one is an account switcher. And this is great if you have different accounts that you log into. And especially if you're doing admin work and somebody else wants you to get onto their Facebook or whatever. This next one is the quick help. So if you do need quick help, first of all, send me a message in the comments and I'll try to help you out and maybe even do a video. But if that doesn't work, go ahead and you can click within here and ask Facebook for some help and try to get some help with the homepage timeline and things like that. This is also where your privacy checkup and privacy shortcuts are as well. Then you have this down arrow. These are pages that you admin, that you're an administrator of. And then this is also where you can manage your pages, your groups, manage ads. And this is also where your settings and that you can log out. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is over on the left-hand side. This is a way that you can get to your profile page as well. So right here and right here, you can get to your profile page. The next one is your news feed. This is where you can set to see top stories or most recent. You can check out the video on that. I'll link to it down below as well. Here's Messenger. That's the same thing. You can do it from here or you can do Messenger. This is your watch. These are all videos that your pages or people you follow do live videos and everything, and you can watch the videos there. This is your marketplace. This is where you buy and sell locally. And so you can just click on that and see what's for sale in your area. These shortcuts are pages that I go to quite frequently. These are pages business pages that I have here on Facebook. But if I also have a group that I'm constantly going to, I can put that here, and business pages that I really like. So these are just shortcuts and I don't have to keep using this search bar up here. Now the Explorer, real quick. Here's groups, any groups you're a part of or not a part of. Pages, these are those business pages that you administer. Events, these are all the events that are going on in the area that you've created or said that you're going to. Here's fundraisers, that friend list. That's a really cool thing that I'll be doing a little bit more in-depth video about. And then if you click on the see more, you see all of the rest of these. Those memories that pop up, this is where you can get back to those memories. There's weather, find friends. Like Facebook really wants you to find friends. They've got find friends here. They've got your friend request here. They've got find friends here. And over here, people you may know that you can add friends. So you can see that they really want you to socialize on their site. And then you can just go through each one of these, because it'll take me too long to go through every one of these. But just click on them and you'll be able to see what they do. Okay, so this middle portion right here is basically where everything happens. This is where you can post an update, post a photo or a video. You can tag friends, check in. This is where you go live. This is what you tell Facebook and all your friends. Well, really all your friends, what's on your mind. And now this next one is your story. So these are all of your friends who will do like a little story. I'll go into greater detail. I haven't done a video on that, but hey, if you want to know more about stories, let me know in the comments section below, because I'd like to go into a little bit more detail. But hey, if that's not something you're interested in, why do it, right? So this next part is your newsfeed. This is where all of your friends are posting what's on their mind. This is where they're posting their photos, their videos, and they're going live. Okay. And so they're either posting in groups that you're a part of, they're just posting stuff out there, just like they're sharing stuff. They're sharing memes or, different pages that have posted things. This is where everything happens. This is where you can see what your friends and your family are posting. And this is what's known as your news feed. Okay. And now over here to the right, this is where if you do have friends that have allowed Facebook to tell you it's their birthday, this is where it's going to be. And then right here, you have people you may know. Like I said, if you know them, add them as a friend, and be sure to check out all those videos in that Facebook for Beginners playlist, because I go into detail about adding friends and removing them and finding them and everything. Now, finally, last thing, down here on chat. Your chat is your messages. It's your messenger, basically. So anytime that if I was to open this and start chatting with this person, nobody can see that. Okay, this is just specifically to that person. And these green circles just mean that they are on and they're active. And you can probably reach out to them and, say hi, and they'll probably get right back to you, I guess. I don't know. And then right here with the hours and minutes, it just lets you know how many minutes ago or hours ago that they were active. Now, if you don't want all of this up, you can simply just click on this cogwheel, these options, and hide sidebar. And now you're back to where you are. Okay. So that does it. That was just, like I said, a very quick overview of your home page. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. If you have any suggestions on video tutorials that you want me to do, hey, let me know that too. And like I said, over and over again, it's free. Go to the Facebook for Beginners playlist and just go through all of those videos. By the time you're finished with that course and all of those videos, you are going to be an expert, and you'll probably be able to share it with your kids and let your kids and your grandkids know about Facebook, okay? Until next video, y'all be blessed. Bye.